Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you're having a great week so far. Today is Thursday, May the 22nd, and we have made it to day number 43 of the MLGS Secret Clickbank Challenge. And I just want to congratulate you guys for staying with me and sticking with me this far, guys, of this challenge. And the only reason I'm making these videos, guys, is to show you that what's possible for you if you're looking to earn extra income online, right? So if you guys are new to this video, okay, please go back and watch the previous videos starting from day one around that area, kind of get up to speed on what we're doing so you guys can kind of know what to expect if you were to do something like this as well. Okay. So, if you guys, like I said, are new to this video, you have no idea what we're doing, no idea what I'm talking about, okay? We are promoting a service called My Lead Gen Secret System, which is an email platform. And then we're also promoting a offer from Clickbank, okay, which is a network marketing platform that affiliate marketers can go to and grab different offers. And you can send those offers in a email form to the My Lead Gen Secret traffic, and then you can somehow get subscribers and earn income online from that traffic. All right. So today I'm going to show you guys how to send out an email in the My Legion secret system, how to use an offer from Clickbank. And then also I'm going to show you the email that we sent out last night and if we got any traffic or any results or anything like that. Okay. So we're on day number 43 of this challenge, guys. We're climbing right along here, guys. And let's go ahead and get right into it. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to the My Legion secret system. If you guys don't know what My Legion secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. These are business opportunity leads. Okay. So pretty much all the people that are coming onto this list, these people are hungry and looking for ways to earn money online. Okay. So what we do as affiliate marketers, we go out and grab offers, business opportunity offers. Okay. Whether that be some kind of CPA offer. Okay. Or you can have a actual product that you have to pay for. Okay. Whichever one. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a network called Clickbank, okay, and we're going to grab those offers. And the reason why we're using Clickbank is because it's free to sign up, and there's no waiting period. Okay, now you don't have to use Clickbank. Okay, you can go out and use Warrior Plus. There's companies, networks like Max Bounty, CPA Revenue. I mean, there's so many different CPA platforms that you can go grab offers from, create emails, and then send them to this traffic and earn income that way. But just Clickbank is so beginner friendly, okay, because it doesn't, there's no waiting period. You sign up today, you can get your account started today, and you can start sending out offers today. Okay, and that's why I'm showing you these two and mixing those two together, right? So, just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secret over a few years now. I totally love the service. Okay, I promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. Okay, I've promoted. There's other offers on Clickbank that do work. Okay. Now for this challenge, what we're doing is we're promoting one offer from Clickbank, just one. Okay. We're not going to promote any other offer, but just one offer. And we're going to promote that offer for 365 days. Okay. Which is 1 year. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys what it would look like with 1 year promoting one offer from Clickbank with this traffic and show you to see how much money we can make with it. Okay. And then at the end of that 365, we're going to tally up and see how much money that we made in 1 year with this program. Okay. So that's going to be our challenge. So if you guys want to follow along and see this thing to the end, I'm not going to miss a beat. Okay. I'm going to come in every day and I'm going to promote videos and I'm going to show you guys my results and what I'm doing. Okay, so if you guys want to follow along with these videos, please select the subscribe button below. Okay, select the subscribe, like this video, share it with other people. Let me know what you think about this stuff. Okay, but follow me along if you're someone out there looking for extra income, and you want to kind of, I'm kind of doing the groundwork for you, so to speak. That way you can see if you want to get started or not. Okay. I've been doing this for a few years. So me promoting it is just letting you know that it is legit. It's something that I actually do every single day. Okay, I'm never going to come on this channel and promote something that I'm not doing or trying to sell you on something or anything like that. That's not my whole goal. If something is working for me, what I want to do is help others. Okay, and by me helping others, it just does something for me. You know what I mean? Just helping you guys out. Okay, so if you guys want to get started, okay, there is a link below this video. Okay, if you go here, click on more, there's this link right here. Click on this link right here in the description. It'll take you to the My Legion Secret System. Get started. It's only a one-time charge of $60 to get started, $30 a month to keep the service. It's very inexpensive to keep the service, okay? So if you guys want to get started, go ahead and get started right now. There's no reason, no time to wait, okay? Go ahead and act now. Okay. And if you act now today, I'll give you some emails that I've used that converted that, help me get sales. Okay. So I'll send those emails to you. Just send me a message on YouTube and let me know that you signed up. And I'll get those emails right over to you. All right. So let's go ahead and get to it. I'm going to show you guys how to send out a email in this My Legion secret system. If you've sent out an email in Google or Bing or Yahoo or anything like that, if you sent out an email before, you're going to be able to do this thing. It's not going to be hard for you to do. Okay. It's going to be very easy for you guys to do. Okay. So these are some tabs. This is what your back office is going to look like. The only thing difference is going to be the emails that you're sending out. This is the My Leads tab. This lets you know the leads that are coming in. Now, what determines that if you get 100 or 200 leads is how many accounts that you have. The cool thing about My Legion Secret, you can have multiple accounts. So sign up at the link below. After you sign up, your back office is going to look like this. You're going to have your own affiliate page. Sign out of this account and then paste this into the browser and sign up under your own account. Okay, from that point on. Okay, what's going to happen is every time you make a payment, every time you make a payment for your My Legion secret system, you're going to get a kickback. Okay. You're going to get money every month that you are under your own account. Okay. So with me, I have 8 accounts. So say, for instance, I have 8 accounts, right? Okay. So I signed up under someone, and then every other account that I had, I signed up under my own account. Okay. And then every couple of months, I can catch out because I'm paying myself each month because I'm signing up under myself. Okay. Which is pretty cool. So, just an extra few $100, $300, $400 every few months. Okay. And then I can go out and, use that money to reinvest or I can go do whatever with it. Okay. Go buy traffic or go do other business opportunities, or I can just go pay a bill with that. Okay. So there's going to be multiple ways that you can earn income with this traffic. Okay. And I'm not going to go down that rabbit hole, but if to get multiple accounts, there's a plus side to it. You're going to pay yourself back, and also you're going to promote offers on Clickbank. Okay, so that's 2 ways that you're going to make money with this program. All right. So that's how you do that, guys. Okay, master email swipes. These are additional email swipes that you can go purchase for $30. They're written by a 7-figure marketer. I've purchased them before, but actually don't use them. Okay, so the emails that I use are the pre-written emails from the vendor. Okay, which is if you go to ClickBank and you go over here to accounts and you click on your affiliate name there and you go to marketplace. Okay, and you come down here to the e-business e-marketing. This is the only section that you're going to want to be in. The offer that we're promoting for this challenge is going to be live chat jobs. You click on affiliate link, and what that does, it takes you to the live chat jobs affiliate homepage, okay, which is called social sales rep. Okay, this offer right here is what we're promoting for 1 year, guys. So we're going to come here to the free email swipes. These email swipes are really good. They convert very well, guys. So we're just going to use the free ones. If you guys been following these videos, we came down here and we sent out all 20 of these emails. Okay. Now, once you get to 20, what we're going to do is all you got to do, super easy, is start back up at 1. Okay. And you just want to keep doing this over and over and over and over again. Okay. Now, the cool thing about the My Legion Secret, excuse me, the My Legion Secret, you're going to be able to promote those emails over and over and over again. Okay. So once you get promote all 20 of them, they're going to be saved in here. And then all you have to do is just select this drop down menu and it's going to show you those 20 emails. And you can just click on the email from the first email, click on load, and it's going to already populate for you. Okay. So you don't really have to do it, but I'm just going to manually show you how to do it. So you come here to the subject line, Control V, come back here, come down here. Okay. Click on perfect timing. And then you want to come back over here to the mailing system. Let's see, let's go down here. Go back to the offer. We're going to come down here. We're going to grab the body. Okay. We're going to grab this body of text here. Go ahead and grab that. Boom, Control C. Come back over here to the mailing system, and then come here, highlight all that, Control V. Okay, very, very easy to do. And then we're going to click on there. And you either want to put in your name or management, whichever one you decide to do. And where it says hey name right there, we want to take that out and we want to address our prospect by their first name. So you want to grab this embedded code right there, come down here, and you want to come right there, Control V. All right, very easy to do, guys. So let's go ahead and do that. And then right here where it says in huge demand worldwide, we want to do in your area. Okay, so huge demand in your area. Okay, so that way it's more personable to our prospect. Right here where it says complete your application here, we want to turn this bold text into a clickable link. So you come over here to the link tab, click on that, come back here to the offer. Under every email is going to be a special link that you're going to use. Okay, Control C. And in this link right here, you're going to want to take this out where it says your Clickbank affiliate ID. You want to put in your Clickbank affiliate ID. Okay? Don't put in anyone else's ID, put in your Clickbank affiliate ID. All right. So you just want to come back here and you want to, let me see, go here and then Control V. Okay, I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna put in my ClickBank affiliate ID. Okay, and you put in yours. I'll put in mine. All right. So and that's how you do it, guys. Click on OK. What that does, it turns that into a clickable link. Very easy. And then you come down here. The size that you're going to want to use is either 16 or 18, whichever one you guys feel good about. So right here it says like, "Hey Jermaine, hey John, whatever your name is, whatever our prospect name is going to address them by their first name." And then right here, after they read this email and read this opportunity, okay, let's see. I also seen another one right here, guys, where it says work from your country. You want to say work from your home, right? So you also want to proofread these emails because they're not all perfect. You can proofread them. You can take out words, make them your own or whatever, however you want to do it. Tailor it to yourself, okay? So, and then right here it says click complete your application here. This is a clickable link, okay? So when you come down here, you're going to have two tabs. One is going to say send now, and the other one's going to say preview. Click on preview, okay? What that's going to do is going to bring up the ad. Is you're going to preview that ad, and you're going to click on complete this application. You're going to click on your link to make sure that it goes to your affiliate page. That's very, very important that you do that, okay? And it's going to take you to your affiliate page so that way you can get the sale and you can earn the commission for it. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's how easy. And you click on to come back here and click on send. That's that easy. That's how you send out an email in the My Legion secret system, guys. It's very easy to do, and I just showed you how to do it. All right, so let's go ahead and get to the results. Okay, we sent out an email yesterday. And I want to just show you guys that email and what it looked like. So you want to come over here to the reporting tab, and today is May the 22nd. Today we did get, let's see here, we got 782 unique hops. 782 hops, excuse me, 570 unique hops. Okay, 4 order form impressions, which is really good. We got 3 unique order form impressions. Okay, so what that means is that somebody went to the checkout page, someone decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Okay, now, we didn't get any sales again. Okay. Yesterday, we didn't get any as well. Okay. But I noticed a couple of days ago, okay, we did get a sale. Okay. So that sale should be paid out to us tomorrow. Okay. And then I'm going to be tomorrow, I'm going to be looking for an initial sale. Any one of these days coming up, I'm going to be looking for initial sales because I'm looking for those sales to get closer together. Okay. So we can start bridging those sales together and getting free trials. And then every free trial, 3 days after every free trial, we earn our $20 commission. Okay. So we didn't get an initial sale, but we did get this commission here. And let's go ahead and find out where this came from. All right. So today we did earn $20.68. Okay. So let's go ahead and go back over here to the account tab and let's find out where that sale came from. All right. So let's go ahead and go there and let's give that a second to load up here. All right. Let's see. Okay. All right. There we go, guys. All right. So we'll come down here and let's just click on this, right? Let's see what this is all about. Okay. So let's see here. Let's go down here and we want to click on the rebuild here. Okay, so this is what it is, guys. So today is May the 22nd. We got this sale from last month. Okay, this sale came from last month on 4/22. Okay, that's a rebill from someone that's already on the program. Okay. This is what I was telling you guys about why I'm promoting this offer, because it has a $20 rebill every month. Okay. And the whole idea is to stack up, hundreds of $20 payments every single month. We want to just keep stacking those $20 payments. Okay. So that way, one of these days, one of these months, we're going to start seeing $40 days, $60 days. Okay. $80 days, $100 days. Okay. That is the whole goal of doing this, promoting this offer, is because it's a stackable rebuild. Okay. So we do the work one time, someone signs up, and we get paid over and over and over and over again. Okay. Till someone decides to quit the program. All right. Now, what I've seen is that people staying on my list for, 3 to 6 months. Okay. I've seen somebody as long as 7 months. Okay. Before. Okay. And getting that $20 over and over and over again for 7 months. Not only are we getting that rebill, we're also getting new signups every single day. Okay. Or every other day. Okay. And we're getting those new signups. Okay. And then eventually those people are going to be getting rebuild over and over and over again. Okay. Some people love the program and they make money with it. Okay. And those are the people that we want staying on with us. Okay. And we want to continue to serve them. Okay. And get them making money. And then also we're getting a commission for helping those people out. Okay. So today we did get a rebill. Okay. So we did earn a commission today, which is really, really good. Okay. And this is what I wanted to show you guys, to show you how powerful that this method is. You do the work one time, you set it up, and we get paid over and over and over again. And then on top of the rebills, we're getting new sales every month. Okay. So the cool thing is, check this out. We completed the first 30 days. All right. We're on day number 43 now, I believe. And once we get through these next set of 30 days, so imagine getting to 60 days, right? And then we have the rebills from 2 months. Okay. So those 2 months, what's going to end up happening is those rebills are going to just start stacking on top of each other from the first month and the second month. So that third month that we're in and we're promoting, we're getting those $40 days. Okay. We're getting $60 days, right? Possibly even $80 days. It just depends, right? And that's the whole goal here, guys, is for us to get up to that point. And that's why I wanted to show you guys this 365-day challenge. So it gives us a whole 12 months to stack these payments. And I want to show you the type of income that you guys could be making. Okay. If you're someone out there struggling, you need some extra income. You maybe have a job that you're a dead end job that you want to see, you don't mind doing the job, but you would like to have extra money doing it. This is going to give you the extra money to do it. Okay. You need the money paying a light bill, maybe a car note. Okay. Maybe a mortgage payment, maybe your rent payment or something like that. Okay. This is going to be the extra income that you can use to get that. All right. Now, this whole Clickbank account that I have, and the Clickbank account, I've created a brand new Clickbank account because I got multiple Clickbank accounts. I only created this account just for you guys, okay? Just to show you this challenge and show you what's possible when it comes to earning extra income online, passive income, all right? So I'm not going to ramble on today, guys. I wanted to show you only results. I wanted to show you how to send out an email in the My Lead Gen Seeker system, which is very easy to do. And then I wanted to show you what we did today with the Clickbank account. Okay. And today, what ended up happening is we got a rebill from last month. Okay. So that saved us from having a blank day. Okay. Is that rebill. And that's what's going to end up happening. Even if we don't make a sale, we're going to get to a point where we just have rebills coming in. Even if we don't have a sale, that way we're still earning income every single day. So that's the whole point, is to start making money every single day, whether it's $20 or $100. We want to see that coming in every single day. Okay. And we're getting very, 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 very close. All right, guys. So you guys stick with me in this journey. Okay. I want you guys to watch what I'm doing. Okay. And get started. All right. At the link below. But I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm going to come back here tomorrow for Friday, and I'm going to see you guys at the same time, same place right here, guys. Peace.